What's up, keyboard fans? Got an interesting option here from the folks over at Gamdias. The Hermes M5 is another in their line of mechanical gaming keyboards that you might want to take a look at. Here we have a full-size keyboard with a slick aluminum plate, two-toned colorway, and a simple backlighting to help enhance the overall minimalistic theme. Out of the box, it's pretty simple. You get the keyboard and a keycap puller. The board itself is pretty sturdy, but even with that aluminum plate, there is still some flex. On the bottom, there are 2 feet that give height addition, but no real grip, so this board can slide on your desk if you use it on a flat surface with no mat. The cable is a standard non-detachable affair. If you're into custom coiled cables, well sorry, this probably ain't for you. Moving on to the keycaps, I couldn't find exactly what they are, but they are shine through, and I appreciate them trying to minimize on the gamery font, but I wish they could have found a way to make the secondary characters and text much smaller, or maybe even move it to the front of the keys. The large dark text on the function keys somewhat throws off the vibe of the rest of the keyboard. The switches are what they call Gamdias certified. This one I have here has the clicky blue variant. It definitely feels like some of the cheap cherry blue clones I've used over the years. Here's a quick sound test so you can hear it. Honestly, I'm way over the clicky blues, and these are no different. I was surprised at just how much ping there was even when typing, and the stabilizers aren't awe-inspiring. And going with the color scheme, Gamdias limited the backlighting to just this light blue color that does accentuate the white and ice blue keycap scheme nicely. I think I would have preferred to have it be a solid white myself, but hey, you get what you get. You get 5 phases of brightness with 6 keyboard lighting effects. Here they are, and you can decide how you like them for yourself. Overall, I actually think the Hermes M5 will look amazing in the right desktop setup. It will fit in nicely both in a professional environment and in the most gamery of battle station builds. At around $60, I wish it had a detachable cable and a solid white lighting scheme, but hey, that's just me. Let me know what you think of the Hermes M5 down below, and I will give this very board away to a lucky commenter. I'm gonna get up out of here. Till next time, holla at your boy.